Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the English Journey podcast, where we learn English not with textbooks, but with real life. I'm Tom, your host, your guide, and your English buddy. Today, we're going to visit another room in my house, a place where I sleep, relax, dream. That's right, my bedroom. And we'll be using one of the best ways to learn English, comprehensible input. That means you'll hear real, simple English, with words you can understand, even if you're still a beginner. You'll hear me describe things around my bedroom, what I see, what I do, and your brain will start to understand English naturally, just by listening. So, are you ready? Put on your headphones. Let's go into my bedroom. Hi there! Welcome to my bedroom. This is my most personal space, where I sleep, rest, and relax. Come in, come in. Here we are. This is my bedroom. Bedroom. It's quiet and peaceful here. I love spending time in my bedroom. The most important thing in any bedroom is this. My bed. Bed. This is where I sleep every night. So comfortable. My bed is big. It's a queen-size bed. Queen size. Not too big, not too small. Just right for me. Look at these. This is my pillow. Pillow. I put my head on the pillow when I sleep. Like this. I have two pillows. One is soft, one is firm. I like options. And this is my blanket. Blanket. When I'm cold, I pull the blanket over me. Warm and cozy. In summer, I use a thin blanket. In winter, I use a thick blanket. Very thick. Under the blanket, I have sheets. Sheets. Clean white sheets. I change my sheets every week. Fresh sheets smell so good. I love the feeling of clean sheets. Next to my bed, I have a nightstand. Nightstand. This little table is very useful. On my nightstand, I keep my alarm clock. Alarm clock. Every night, I set my alarm. Beep, beep, beep. Time to wake up. I also keep a lamp here. Lamp. At night, I turn on the lamp to read. Light. Not too bright, not too dark. Perfect for reading books before sleep. Speaking of books, here's my favorite book. Book. I read a little bit every night. Reading makes me sleepy. Yawn. Yawn. Good for sleep. And I always keep a glass of water here. Glass of water. Sometimes I get thirsty at night. Refreshing. Over here, this big furniture is my wardrobe. Wardrobe. This is where I keep all my clothes. Opening wardrobe. Shirts, pants, dresses, jackets, everything. My wardrobe is organized. Work clothes here. Casual clothes here, winter clothes here. These are my pajamas. Pajamas. I wear pajamas to sleep. Very comfortable. Soft cotton pajamas. I have different pajamas. Summer pajamas, winter pajamas. These are my favorite. They have little stars on them. Look at this beautiful window. Window. In the morning, sunlight comes through the window. Hello, sun. The sunlight wakes me up naturally. Much better than alarm clock. The window has a wooden frame. Frame. And look, I can open the window. Fresh air comes in. So refreshing. I love fresh air in my bedroom. From my window, I can see many things outside. I can see trees, big green trees with leaves. And I can see flowers in the garden. Flowers, red flowers, yellow flowers, so pretty. They make me feel happy when I look at them. Over there, I can see my neighbor's house. Neighbor's house. And look, there's a bird sitting on the roof. Bird on the roof. Sometimes birds sing in the morning. Tweet, tweet. I love waking up to bird songs. I have curtains here. Curtains. At night, I close the curtains. Dark and private. Good for sleeping. In the morning, I open the curtains. Hello, world. The curtains hang on this rod. Curtain rod. When I pull the curtains, they slide on the rod. Smooth and easy. The floor in my bedroom is wood. Wood floor. But I have a soft rug here. Rug. When I get out of bed, my feet touch the soft rug, not the cold floor. Comfortable. In the corner, I have a chair. Chair. Sometimes I sit here to put on my shoes. Or sometimes I just sit here to think. Quiet thinking time. I also put my clothes on this chair. Tomorrow's clothes. Tonight, I choose what to wear tomorrow. Then I put it on the chair. In the morning, easy. No thinking, just wear. Over here, I have a small desk. Desk. Sometimes I write letters here. Or I work on my computer. Computer. Click, click, click. But not too much work in the bedroom. This is for relaxing. Next to my desk, I have a bookshelf. Bookshelf. Many books here. Fiction books, poetry books, travel books. When I feel bored, I choose a book and read. Reading makes me feel calm and intelligent. On the wall, I have a mirror. Mirror. In the morning, I look at myself. Looking in mirror. Good morning, beautiful. Mirror, mirror on the wall. I check my hair, my face. Am I ready for the day? This is my dresser. Dresser. Inside, I keep my underwear, socks, and small clothes. Everything organized in different drawers. Socks here, underwear here, t-shirts here. Organization is important. On top of my dresser, I have personal things. My perfume, perfume. Smell good. My jewelry box, jewelry box. Pretty earrings and necklaces inside. Look up. On the ceiling, I have a ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. In summer, when it's hot, I turn on the fan. Whoosh, whoosh. Cool air. Much better than hot air. My walls are painted light blue. Light blue. Blue is calm and peaceful, perfect for bedroom. Some people have white walls, some have pink walls. I chose blue because it makes me feel relaxed. On the walls, I have pictures. Pictures. Photos of my family, my friends, my travels. Happy memories. When I look at these pictures, I smile. Good feelings before sleep. Over here, I have a small table. On this table, I keep my phone charger. Phone charger. Every night, I charge my phone. Plugging in phone. Full battery for tomorrow. You know what? My bedroom is not just for sleeping. Sometimes I exercise here. Morning stretches. Sometimes I do yoga. Peaceful yoga in my peaceful room. Sometimes I dance here. Dance. When I'm happy, I put on music and dance. Nobody can see me. This is my private space. Dancing makes me feel joyful and free. When I feel sad, I come to my bedroom. I sit on my bed and think. Sometimes I cry a little. But then I look at my family photos. I remember good times and I feel better, happy again. And when I feel excited about something, like a new job or a fun trip, I jump on my bed. Bounce, bounce. I know, it's silly, but it makes me feel so excited and alive. At the end of the day, I come to my bedroom feeling tired, but happy. I take off my work clothes, put on my comfortable pajamas, brush my teeth, and I lie down on my soft bed. Sometimes I feel stress from work, too much work, too many problems, but when I enter my bedroom, I start to relax. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. The stress goes away. Other times, I feel grateful. I have a comfortable bed, a safe room, a peaceful place to rest. Thank you, bedroom. Thank you for taking care of me every day. And when I'm really tired, I don't even change clothes. I just collapse on the bed. Collapse. So exhausted. But even then, my bed welcomes me with open arms. My bedtime routine. Setting clock. Then I read a few pages of my book. Reading. Then I turn off the lamp. Turning off lamp. Then I close my eyes and sleep. Sweet dreams. And in the morning, the sunlight comes in, I hear birds singing, tweet, tweet. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and I'm ready for a new day. This is my bedroom, my personal space, my peaceful place, where I rest, where I dream, where I prepare for each new day. Every bedroom is different, but every bedroom is special to someone. What about your bedroom? Do you have a big bed or a small bed? What color are your walls? Do you read before sleep? I hope your bedroom is as comfortable and peaceful as mine. Sweet dreams, my friend. Sweet dreams.